Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is pt2 and I'm playing some more Subway Surfers, so let's go. I don't want to get this little thing. It's like a little fireball, I don't want to get it at all. So guys, if you can I'm going to watch this video after. I'm only going to do one turn because my camera always goes off. So it was now, and I got a daily challenge complete. I think I've got a box. I can't remember. Or just like look like super jump. Bye bye little. That is always annoying, guys. But like I'm gonna. Oh yeah, let's open this. Yes, another board. Guys, that is weird. I keep on hearing noises, but let's see top one. So I can see it's Sash and me. That's a bit weird, but it doesn't really load. But there's my character. Yeah. Guys, 3 shoutouts. 3 shoutouts. Limby Scores, Kenny from 942, and So Puppy 89. So if this is short, it cuts off every time. So yeah, bye guys. See you. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.